Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Epson L3210 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match to appear, which is our Google Chrome browser. Please click on Open to continue. Now, the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, we just have to wait until everything are set or ready before we proceed. And once everything are ready, please navigate to the search bar and type for Epson L3210. L3210 space driver space download. So once you're done, please click on enter so that you would be redirected to the list of results. So please proceed to the top result where you can see the Epson L3210. Click on it. So from here, you would be able to see the Epson L3210. All you need to do is you need to scroll down, okay, and proceed with this download. So click on it so that you would be able to see a list of results. Now, this website will automatically detect your operating system and it's detecting mine, which is Windows 11. And from here, you need to scroll down and locate with this option called drivers. So the moment you've selected it, it will show you printer driver for Windows 64-bit and the scanner driver. So we need to download these two applications. So proceed on clicking on download. And the moment you do that, you will be redirected to this new window. All you need to do is you need to wait and go with accept to accept the license agreement so that we can now start on downloading. So click on keep so that you can continue. So I would suggest to click this first tab so that you can also download this scanner driver together with the printer driver that we want to install. So click on accept the license agreement so that you can start on the downloading of the scanner driver as well. So click on keep so that you can now start also on downloading this Epson scanner and driver. So just have to wait for a while and keep on track the download progress so that we can now proceed, okay? So we have now downloaded the printer driver. We just have to wait until our the scanner driver would be finished on downloading as well before we proceed, okay? Once the two driver are being downloaded, click this folder icon to show it in folder, okay? So all you need to do is you need to copy or highlight all of these two applications that we have recently downloaded. Click this cut icon to copy it, close the window as well as the browser, and navigate to the desktop. So here's the catch. You need to do a right click and go with the paste icon to paste all of the driver that we have installed. Okay? So we will now continue on the installation of this L3210 Epson driver. So all you need to do is you need to navigate to the button search bar, type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. Now you need to navigate at the left side of that where you can see there Bluetooth and devices. Click on it, and here you need to look for devices. So from here at the devices, you need to scroll down and locate with more devices and printer settings. So here are the devices and printers. Before you proceed on adding a printer, you need to minimize this window first, close the settings, proceed to your L3210 printer driver. Please do a right click and then scroll down and navigate to this one. Okay, we just have to wait until it will be ready, and once it is being ready, proceed with extract to L3210. So the moment you have extracted the printer driver, you need to navigate or go back to your devices and printers window. And from here, please navigate to the upper left side of that. You can see there an option called add a printer. So click on it. And the moment you do that, you need to proceed with this. The printer that I want is enlisted. Click on it and click on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. So once this option is being marked in blue, sorry for that, you need to click on next. And here it asks you to choose an existing port. Click this down arrow, and here's the catch. You need to select either of these three, USB 001, 002, or 003. So select either of these three, no other than that. So in my case, I'll be selecting USB 001. Click on next. And from here, you just have to click on have disk. Click and browse. And since we have placed our newly installed printer driver at the desktop, then we need to navigate to our desktop. Then scroll down, navigate to L3210, double tap to it. Please select this, double tap once again, and you would be able to see three drivers. So these three drivers would function as L3210. So select any of this. Anyway, they are the same. Click on OK, and it will show you L3210 series. So click on next, go with next once again, and it will now start on the installation of the printer driver. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation of this printer driver. Once done, please click on next. Okay. And if you'd like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. Click on finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3210 series in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So the next thing that you need to do is we need to install our scanner. So all you need to do is you need to double tap to it so that you can now start in the installation of this scanner. Now, if your user account control want to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can now start on the installation of this application for Epson Scanner L3210. So click on next so that you can continue. Okay. Go with I accept the terms and conditions for this agreement. Click on next once again. And it will now installing this scanner for L3210 Epson printer driver. So we just have to wait for a while until this would be finished, okay? So we have now finished the installation of our Epson scanner. Click on finished and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.